The reason why you're watching this video is because you have been stuck before while coding. It is because you have been confused while coding. It is because you have given up before while coding or during your coding journey. If this is you, then watch to the end of this video, because by the end of this video, I'll give you some tips that can actually help you to be a better coder. The first tip I'm about to give you is that coding is not memorization, it's problem solving. So as a beginner, a lot of times we tend to memorize lines of code, different functions and syntaxes, and paying little attention to the meaning, to the understanding of those concepts. So you should understand that coding is not just memorizing, it's about understanding those concepts. So it's problem solving, not memorization. So when I started, I learned a lot of codes, memorized them in my head. But when it came to the real world, I could not really utilize them because I didn't know them in the first place. So what should you do? Learn to understand. Learn to understand those concepts, those syntaxes, those functions. Understand them instead of memorizing. Even the professional coders right now, they still Google to make sure that they understand what they are doing. So if you memorize, it's going to make you confused and make you stuck. The second step I'm about to give you is you have to build small projects. So start small and win big. When you start small, for example, when you build something like a calculator, a to-do list application, when you're able to achieve that, it can boost your confidence level. It can boost your confidence, meaning that since you're able to build something small, you can also build something very big. So when I started, actually, I started building something very, very big, something like Netflix application. At that time, I could not do it. So I was mostly stuck, and I actually wanted to quit coding until I learned these tips and what I'm giving you right now. So you have to start small and win big. Start building something very small. Start building one-page HTML website, then proceed to CSS, then JavaScript. Then after that, the next tip I'm about to give you is that learn by doing, not just by watching. Many times we love to watch videos from YouTube, from Coursera, Udemy, and the rest. But how many times do you practice? How many times do you put it into practice? So it's not just about watching tutorial videos. When I started, I watched a lot of tutorial videos. But when it came to the real world, I could not do anything because I didn't really understand what I watched. When I was watching it, I thought I understood. But when it came to real life application, I could not do anything because I just watched. And in my head, I thought I knew that. So you have to understand that you have to learn by